Let's see what we got here. I feel like I'm not prepared for this. I should have an extension cord over here right now. Oh my God, it's adorable. Look at that shit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bro, that's a fucking table saw. Look at that. Oh shit, I might not even need an extension cord. Oh, look. It has a lathe, a grinding wheel, all kinds of attachments that can go on there. Damn, that's adorable, dude. Shit. Safety shit. Ugh. There she is. I got you now. Oh, can you see me? Shit, my bad. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, got some nice little rubber feet. I don't know about the power cord going in the front, though. There we go. Oh, shit. She's quiet as hell, too. Woo! Start with some 3/8" plywood. Hold up. Oh, yeah. There we go. Let's try this again. Battery died. About to do some sketchy shit. Oh, I could fucks with that. Bruh, did you see that? I went to turn this table saw off with the power button from my main table saw.